Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. A hypnotic rhythmic chant of 16 words has replaced LSD. On 2nd Avenue and 1st Street is a storefront in which a Hindu Swami has set up shop.
I was wandering in the street and some of the boys saw me and gradually they came to me. Actually, I did not try anything for developing this institution. The boys did it.
22nd Avenue is a holy place of pilgrimage, held sacred in the hearts of devotees from all over the world who have been touched by the divine grace of Srila A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. People come from all parts of the world to experience how Srila Prabhupada first came off the Jaladuta into New York City without money, without any support, to establish Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's movement in the Western world. That place is personified in 22nd Avenue. When devotees come there, they feel such deep inspiration going back in time to 1966 when Srila Prabhupada established his mission. Several of Srila Prabhupada's dear followers and well-wishers have been meeting, and it is our dream that we can recreate that original ambience of when Srila Prabhupada first established ISKCON in 22nd Avenue. And it is such an honor and a joy that we could come together as Srila Prabhupada's family to make that offering to him. Thank you very much.